The digital currency is going to be the future currency of India. This is going to dominate the physical currency very soon. The central bank digital currency is a recognized digital currency of Reserve Bank of India. You can convert the physical currency into digital currency through bank. You can make all the payments using digital currency. It is a legal tender recognized by RBI. The digital transactions are going to be more safer and secured for all of us. No need to carry cash, and even smaller payments can be made through digital currency. Now let me tell you how to use digital currency. This is physical currency note and this is a digital currency note, which is legal tender in India. These are 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees and 500 rupee notes. These are coins of 50 rupees and 1 rupee. By using banking application, I have transferred or rather converted rupees 100 into digital currency. If I want to pay someone, I can do that using QR code or the pay option is given, using which I can pay to any mobile number in my contact list. If I want to load digital currency, I can transfer physical currency into digital currency using the banking application. I can also transfer digital currency into physical currency into my bank account through redeem option.